Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting the app running and ready. Open Responsively and sign in so settings and devices sync. Once signed in, create or link the project folder and enable file watching so changes update automatically. Make sure to select the default browser engines you need and add any custom device presets. Now open the target URL or local dev server inside the app. This first step puts all your views and tools in one place, so you can begin testing immediately. Once the app displays your project, configure the devices and workflows you'll use. Add presets for specific widths and pixel ratios, and include any custom viewport sizes to match QA. Enable synchronized actions so clicks, scrolls, and reloads mirror across all devices. This saves time and reveals layout bugs quickly. Then open the inspector and console to trace CSS and JS issues while using network throttling to simulate real-world speeds. Finish by running a comprehensive pass. Interact with components, change orientations, and verify accessibility attributes across devices. Capture screenshots or recordings of problem states and export responsive assets if needed. Once done, commit code with notes about fixes tied to device presets. If something breaks, reproduce the issue while toggling one variable at a time. Isolate the offending CSS or script, then apply and test a targeted fix. Troubleshooting tip: clear cached resources and disable extensions to rule out external interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.